I'm going to try this Flex Seal. It's this as seen on TV product, which of course everyone has seen it. This one, we'll see, is I think black. We'll see how it works. And I'm going to prepare the surfaces. As you can see, this was a rain barrel, which this looks fine here. So the seal here is still good. The problem with this one is on the bottom of the can, there's a crack here. So I'm going to clean this. As you can see, if I press it, you can see that slit. Someone politely ran into it with a lawnmower. So I'm going to prepare this surface, and then I'll come back and we'll use the Flex Seal. Okay, so this is one, and I'm going to show you. As you can see, the water is going to pour out of it. So it doesn't hold water because of that crack on the side. So we're going to let that, we've cleaned it, we're going to let that dry, and then we're going to test out the Flex Seal. Okay, so this has been cleaned. I'm not sure if you can see that well. That's the cut there. And what I'm going to do is, that's it right there on this edge here. I'm going to attempt to spray it on the inside first. Shake the can up very well. You are supposed to apply even strokes like you would with painting. I'm not going to cover the whole inside. I'm just concerned with that spot. I see still a little water running down. I'm just concerned with that spot. Stinks. And it looks like there's still a gap there. Let's see if you can see it. Looks like it needs to be pressed together like that. I'm applying more than what's needed. When I do it that way, it bubbles up. You can see it thickening. Looks like a big thing of goo off of a sci-fi movie. And when I look at the inside, you're supposed to hold it up so there's no light coming through it, which I don't see any light coming through it now. So you need it to pile up like it was on there. It wasn't doing it on this side. Shake the can up, turn it slightly. I don't want to mess up what I have on the outside. And you have to let this sit and cure for about 24 to 48 hours. Just want you to see it again. The crack is right in there. Yeah, I'm going in for overkill because I really want to save this container. And we're going to let that cure for the 24, I think it says 24 to 48 hours. And then we'll come back and test it. Yes, allow 24 to 48 hours before applying another coat. It fully cures in 48 hours. So we're going to let that cure, and then we'll come back and test it. There's not much in here to see. That's the inside, and this is the outside. This is about 5 applications here. I can see a little bit of the original crack right here, but remember it was all the way down. So I applied a couple extra layers, and we're going to test it again to see if it works now. And again, I put Again, I put a good amount in there. It's about not quite halfway full, but almost, just to test it to see. And so far, I don't feel any water. I'm gonna let that sit for a while and come back and see. But so far, nothing. And that was a good sized crack. So that took about, well, I say 5 applications, but I sprayed it twice with each application. So that was about 10 spray overs in total, I guess. So far, so good. So seems like it works, but you have to apply enough to actually get the results that you want. So thank you for joining me. Until next time.